Hello and welcome back to Pixar Cars Price Guide YouTube channel. Here is an unboxing of Patti. Like I said in the unboxing of Eugene Carbureski tank coat, Mattel has put tape on these packages, I guess to keep the car safe and so it won't fall out. Well, here's Patti. Let's take a closer look. So Patti is Mario Andretti's personal assistant, and it would only be fitting to show both of them together. But here is Patti up close. Pretty simple this one is, not too much detail, but not overly detailed either. Her license plate reads TJ7-75. Her bottom is dated 3395 EAA, which means that she was made on the 339th day of 2015. Now here is one difference that I noticed on the card back and with the actual Patti model, is that on her card she shows a huge dent on her right side, or her left side, but her diecast model does not feature that huge dent. I just thought that was interesting. The one difference between the card back and the actual diecast vehicle. Now let's talk about the card back for a little bit. Here it is. She's number 2 of 11 cars in the LA Speedway series. Here's her picture with all these different cars for different race cars and fans of different race cars in the background. Here is her nameplate, Patti. Sometimes her name is spelled P-A-T-T-I, and other times it's spelled P-A-T-T-I. I don't know which one it is. Here on the back, it talks about the LA Speedway series. The tiebreaker race at the LA International Speedway will determine who is the new Piston Cup champion. And it shows a photo of one of the security guards with Fred. And then 4 cars in the LA Speedway series, such as Mario Andretti, Blake Boyd, Timothy Two-Stroke, and Brad Windmeiler, who as of June 16, 2016, has not been released. So I hope you enjoyed this discussion and unboxing of Patti. Thank you for viewing, and also please feel free to check out PixarCarsPriceGuide.com online. That's the Pixar Cars Price Guide that I put out and update frequently. Thank you for viewing.